Hello, it's me, Mario again. Let's do lightning cup retro style. You know what I mean? We're now entering lightning cup 50cc race 1. Bowser's Castle 2. Oh boy, not Bowser's Castle.
Yes, Mario is in my castle.
What are you talking about? I heard me more than you. I'm already in the lead. Woohoo! I don't remember this course. This course was nasty. Especially with that house, whatchamacallit?
We have it there?
Yeah!
I know, I remember putting that in myself. That's
yeah, already took the lap. That's right, these courses have 5 laps, don't they?
didn't we cover that in an earlier episode?
How come you even thought you were in? Woohoo! I remember the first one. I did that and it hurt. Yeah, yes. Dang balls. Wonder what hit. Oh well.
But you actually the music?
Oh, yeah, it's actually kind of catchy. Another banana. That's to be expected in the first place.
Hey, I heard that Starlight guy happens to have some new equipment. You think we'll be seeing Mario Kart Wii anytime soon?
Who knows?
Obviously, I'm not gonna catch up to you anytime soon. I can't even catch freaking Luigi.
Hey, Luigi time! Said it, Luigi. And there goes Toad. Leaving like a little girl. Woohoo! Ow.
Where the heck am I anyway? Where the heck am I? Jeez! You've got a big lead, and then Luigi's got a big lead over me, and then,
I'm not even going to get tough talking this one. Hey, banana! Woohoo!
Yeah, might as well not even bother, jeez.
Hey, method skins! Ow, ow. I hate all these straight edges that your courses have.
Aren't they nice?
Hey, I win! Mario win! Woohoo! Hey, Luigi second!
Look at your next race.
We'll see about that. You are now entering Lightning Cup 50cc Race 2. Mario second. Woohoo! It's my course now. I'm not gonna win. Hey, wait a minute. I don't know this one. This one's in the Mario Kart way. I should do good here, right? I hit that. Whoops. Oh well.
Mario, I officially hate you.
What, like you did this before? Ah, this is very easy. Look at that lead. I'm not doing good. Woohoo! Get off on the ground. Woohoo! Oh, that's going to hit Luigi. Won't it hit me? Oh well. 15 seconds. Whee! Send it to Luigi. Normally this would be the one that minute. What? Ooh, I'm gonna save that.
You can't sing with right, Mario!
Shut it about. Whee! Yeah! What the hell? Look at that lead. They cannot catch me. Yeah! Woohoo!
God, Mario, you're getting really annoying.
It doesn't look like I can.
No, of course not. You never do.
Remind me of someone else I know.
Hey, I have an excuse. I'm evil.
It's not getting you anywhere, is it?
No, apparently not. Bring Luigi.
Hey, Luigi win. Luigi's not gonna win this time. Ever. This is Mario. Mario second. Woohoo!
Don't you dare start singing again.
If you're not careful, I'm going to sing that one song that everyone hates. Never gonna give you up.
Don't you even dare!
Hey, Luigi second.
Same damn lineup.
Well, look at it this way, Bowser. Keep this up, you'll get third bronze. We're now entering Lightning Cup 50cc, Race 3, Koopa Beach 1. Oh, the first of the beaches.
Still hate Peach Beach.
I still like beach.
Oh my god, that's even worse than the last one!
Shut it, Bowser. Not like you're going to win anyway.
Oh, at least I won't have to put up with that once it's over!
Oh, you just have to wait till the next Grand Prix.
Ah!
You know, that ship's back in the background, but even though it wasn't there before the last game. But, I wonder why it's not firing here. We're gonna nice edition. Oh, why is it buzzed?
It buzzed again? Who keeps doing that, anyway?
I think it started. He didn't hear that, did he?
You probably did. Wouldn't be surprised if it kills you. I'd pay to see that.
Well, just because of that, he probably won't kill me now. Oh, I missed! So I didn't go even like, oh, Peach. Bye! Bye! This is a really short course.
You're now just noticing that? Wait! You're trying to want me! Ah!
I was that good! Hey, I think I got second. Oh, we did third.
Ah! How did that big egg gonna hit me? Twice!
You are now entering Lightning Cup 50cc final race, Choco Island 2. Where's that one? I couldn't see. I think it's over. Whee!
I'm gonna get ahead of Donkey Kong at least. I don't want to be left out of the standings.
This is the first one, yes.
Bye, Yoshi.
No, I haven't been the start of this one, have I? It's mainly been Bowser talking, hasn't it? And I don't like that.
It's about damn time. I have just as much to be the right to be in this as you do, you know.
Look like I can.
Yeah, of course, Mr. Mario has always been a freaking star.
Oh, off of the dang thing. Thank you. Come on. Right? I got Luigi.
Yeah, good for you. Hey, I'm back on the fourth thing. Why is Donkey Kong out of me?
Because he's that cool. Why say that? I hate Donkey Kong.
Yeah, I don't get how that works. Donkey Kong is most wonder to wonders, but most Greenland Cracker after.
What were you saying?
Oh yeah, you know this too, but those crocodiles eat me easy.
It's because those humans are on top of the building too. Look at this. How is that? The man is deadly to me.
It's because you cheat! Hey, look at that, I'm ahead! Woohoo!
Let's see if we can keep it.
I'm gonna pass you!
No, you're not.
Oh, that's Luigi. Damn it, you're going the same! Ah, yes! Yes! Second! Yes!
Yes, you're getting all excited about second, even though I'm in the win.
Well, I figured I wasn't gonna win against you!
Woohoo! We are back at the trophies.